Welcome to At the Sound of the Beep. This pre-recorded cassette has 8 telephone answering machine messages on each side, 16 in all. Using any standard cassette player, listen to the messages first, then choose one. Position your cassette player 3 or 4 inches from your answering machine microphone and set the volume at medium. You will hear a series of 3 beats. After the 3rd beat, activate your answering machine to record. Stop it when the announcement is over. Your machine will then automatically put in the beep signal. If your machine uses a fixed length outgoing message cassette, you will need a 30-second length tape. Enjoy the messages.
I am very indisposed, always in and out of clothes. Either that or I am screening calls that really have no meaning. You know that I can't condone when you don't do it at the tone. Ready, go, it calls, it beckons. You've got all of 30 seconds. Last time, chump, you almost blew it. So at the beep, just get right to it. Beep, 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 beep.
Hey there, it's me, Jack. Yeah, I'm back. What's the idea of calling and waking me up? What are you, some kind of joker? Just leave me a message and tell me every last detail, including any terms of endearment. I'll call you back if the Lakers are out of town. Here's Beepy.
Hello, this is Arnold. Do not terminate this call just because you got a machine. Some of my best friends are machines. If you leave a message, I'll call back. Hasta la vista, baby.
This is the answering machine of the Starship Enterprise. We are unable to take your message because we have boldly gone where no man has gone before. If you leave a message, Lieutenant Uhura will beam it to the proper crew member. In the meantime, as Mr. Spock would say in that Vulcan way of his, live long and prosper. Did you ever wonder why it is that I'm never home when you call? Maybe while you're trying to reach me, I'm out campaigning for my local congressional seat. Or perhaps I'm actually here, just listening to this message and making faces, praying that you never find out. Whatever the reason, I hope it won't keep you from leaving a message, and don't blame me if you have to wait for that annoying beep. Welcome to Found Machines of the Disgustingly Rich. This elegant machine is custom-made and valued at a whopping $680,000. It sits atop a delicate $4 million Chippendale end table beside a $780,000 Tiffany lamp and a small pad of pink paper valued at $1.89. Wouldn't you love to have your message taken by this pricey machine? Or do you prefer the pink message pad? Leave your message after the beep. The top 5 reasons why you should leave a message. 5, I may be home and just screening my calls. 4, I've fallen and I can't get up. 3, this may be me only pretending to be a message. 2, it's cheaper than sending a fax. And the number 1 reason you should leave a message, if you don't, I won't know who to call back.
Hey, Jason.
Luke, what's up, man?
I was just thinking, what a drag it is to be the star of a hit show about high school.
Oh, I know. Fighting off the girls, never being seen for who you are, all the pressures of fame, I can relate.
No, man, not that. The drag is we have to graduate in less than 3 years. Then we're out of a gig.
Not if there's a junior college in Beverly Hills with the same zip code.
Leave your spin-off idea after the beep.
Robin, Prince of Thieves, our carriage approacheth.
And get down, merry man, and conceal thyself, for we shall rob all that pass through Sherwood Forest.
Is that why you had us chop out this section of forest in the shape of a baseball diamond?
Thou speakest wisely, merry man. The voice told me that if I did this, someone would come.
Whoa there!
Oh no, not him.
Is it the sheriff?
Worse, it's Oliver Stone. Leave a message after the beep.
We're here talking to people who have become fixated with their answering machines. Mr. X, is it true that you check your machine over 300 times a day?
Yes, it is.
And Ms. Z, you compulsively change your outgoing message, sometimes 50 times a week.
That's true, Geraldo.
And how obsessed with your phone machine are you, Mr. Y?
Well, I'm wearing mine right now. I never take it off except to bathe.
Now your story can be told right after the beep.
Oh, Grace.
Arnie, stop. People are listening.
Oh, that's no reason to stop.
This has to stop.
Why?
Because I'm not your secretary.
A low blow, Van Owen. Anyway, I've got the machine on, so anyone who wants to reach us can state their case or cause of action at the sound of the beep.
Well then, can I change my verdict, Your Honor?
Approach the bench.
You called me today to leave me a message. We have known each other for a long time, and have I ever asked anything from you? No, I have not. But if today I take this message for you, there may come a day when I will ask you to take a message for me. Someday I will ask you, and I expect you are a caller of your word, and you will take that message. So after the beep, leave me a message I can't refuse.
Yeah, so I finally get the kids to go to the mall. What's his name is asleep on the couch. I'm soaking in a tub full of Woolworth's finest bubble bath, and you call. If you think I'm getting up to answer the phone now, right when I'm reading about the aliens who invaded the apple orchard run by the farmer with the pig's head, you're crazy. So if you think you have problems, leave them after the beep.
Oh, can we talk? Well, not right now because I'm not home. I'm out with the Queen of England. Oh, can you believe this woman? All the money in the world, castles, everything, and she looks like Lassie. Oh, am I right? Anyway, I'm taking her out for a walk. Can we talk? Sure, later. Leave a message at the beep.
Tonight on E.T., we'll take a look at whose teeth are whiter, mine or Mary's.
And we'll also be taking a look at whose laugh is phonier, John's or mine.
And we'll also be deciding
which one of us will
call you back. That's our entertainment tonight. Oh. You've reached PNN Phone News Network. Factoid. 75% of all Americans who are not at home when you call have a telephone answering machine take their calls. 20% of those who call that 75% do not leave a message. Yet people who have answering machines return 100% of the calls where people leave a message. Which percentile do you fall into? Tell us at the sound of the beep.